Welcome to our second episode. Today, I'll be talking about the significance of knowledge on our modern era. We have come a long way just in a short time. If you look back to the 18th century, which marked the Industrial Revolution, to this 21st century, the tools we use in enhancing our human survival have grown rapidly that anyone can imagine. The Industrial Revolution marked the emergence of industry and machine manufacturing as replacement of agrarian and handicraft economy in our society. Although it does not happen in all the places at the same time, some places face this development ahead of others, and yet all this happened to all the human in entire world, which shows that there is gradual development and expansion of human knowledge. This Industrial Revolution has marked the gradual development of human knowledge in adjusting to the situation that men are facing to find a way of fulfilling the needs in life. This innovation of tools is the significance of the emergence of science and technology, whereby in the early days of human civilization, we can see that there are inventions of technology such as wheels, mummification, and the Great Pyramid, which is located in Egypt. And the question is how it was built. The study has proved that those innovations was purely on belief without science, whereby in the ancient civilization, for instance, the ancient Egypt, they used the mixture of oil and some of the herbal which has been passing on from generation to generation. And so those technology that they use are based on belief only, which without reason, because they believe that this herbal medicine can keep the body intact for hundreds of years without corrupt. But they have no knowledge of the work of those herbal in keeping the body intact. However, this has changed in this lately, whereby people started to use their reason and experience as well as imagination in the invention of technology in our modern, such as tools in enhancing our human needs. Example, the major invention could be the airplane, computer, programming the computer in doing the work of human being, or commonly known as algorithm and artificial intelligence. The modern tools are based on science or human knowledge, which develop through reasoning or imagination and experience. And so, the scientists and the research in this modern era are able to invent new tools because they are being exposed to many theory of knowledge, such as knowledge that, which is knowledge about something, such as the knowledge that I know that airplane can fly. This knowledge that airplane can fly is because I have seen the airplane fly, and also I have used it and I have done some research about it, and so my knowledge that airplane can fly is true. In the invention of the modern technology, such as computer, cell phones, and all the means of transportation, all are rooted in the knowledge that because the research knew the work of certain tools or the outcome of a certain material if combined to work with some material. But generally, our modern tools are invented based on expansion of human knowledge because humans are exposed to many facts and reality of this world. This include how the social media, which growing rapidly at this time, The modern technology and social media has been enhancing the possibility of many activities for humans, such as what our world facing at this time, whereby because of this novel coronavirus, which can be transmitted from one person to another and which can lead to death. And so here the social media play a very important role in enabling the process of education can be accessed by all students, whereby students and the lecturer can participate in the academic activity from where they are without physically gathering. And so our knowledge about the possibility of the danger caused by the virus and the possibility of the social media can do, this knowledge push to put into the reality our knowledge we had concerning the danger of coronavirus and the possibility of social media by the schools institution or academic institution to prefer the online classes instead of traditional classes. Because of the teaching can be done through media platforms such as Zoom or Blackboard as what we use. It is not enough to just possess the knowledge that and knowledge how, but we also have to possess the knowledge of, which is acquaintance knowledge, in both positive aspect and the negative aspect, especially with the social media that growing rapidly in our world today. This is include understanding and knowing the danger of misuse of the social media, that it can bring danger to our lives and also can bring danger to the world. And so to get familiar with modern technology is not limited to how those things can benefit oneself, but the benefit that do not endanger other people and their beliefs. Because this is the reality that we are facing, and all the youth are drawn to it. And so it is not enough to possess that knowledge, but you also must possess the philosophical mind in using this technology. Thank you, and we'll meet again in the next episode.